In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when a calendar invite was sent in Outlook. Managing your calendar efficiently not only helps you keep track of your appointments and meetings, but it also enables you to ensure that your invitations have been sent and received at the right time. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to find out exactly when your calendar invite was sent. First things first, let's start by heading over to Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't already, open up your browser and navigate to the Outlook website by entering the URL or simply searching for Outlook online. Once you're on the Microsoft Outlook homepage, check the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to ensure you're accessing the correct account, which contains the calendar information you need, so take a moment to sign in using your email and password. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're entering the credentials for the right one. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook interface. Here you'll see options to navigate to different parts of your Outlook account, be it your inbox, junk mail, or sent items. For our purposes today, you need to focus on the sent items folder. Click on it, as this is where all your sent emails, including calendar invites, are stored. Within the sent items folder, the next step is to locate the specific email that contains the calendar invite you're interested in. It's quite common to have a crowded sent folder filled with a multitude of messages, so a quick tip is to use the search bar. The search function in Outlook is pretty robust. You can type in keywords related to the event or recipient to pull it up quickly, saving you a bit of time and effort. Once you find the email with your sent calendar invite, open it to review the details. Look closely at the top right hand corner of this email. Here you'll find the exact date and time when the invite was sent, and there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily verify the dispatch time of your calendar invitations in Microsoft Outlook. Understanding this process can be extremely beneficial for keeping your scheduling organized and ensuring that your communications are timely and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Have a great day and see you next time.